Hi, I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the UAD Lexicon 480L from Universal Audio. Now, when this plugin was released in late 2018, I was absolutely stoked, as the hardware unit of this is probably my favourite reverb of all time, and the plugin does not disappoint. So let's put the plugin in bypass and let's hear the vocal we're going to be working with today.
Angel in disguise, there is danger in your eyes, 'cause you're falling. Such a perfect lie. I thought this was paradise, still I want it. It's not easy.
Okay, let's bring the reverb in. And let's solo the reverb.
And you're all that I see. How my dreams give me what I want.
Now, straight off the bat, that's a fantastic reverb that fits perfectly in the song. But I'm going to change a few things. First of all, let's change from halls to plates. And I'm going to choose my favourite plate, which is fat plate. Let's hear that.
It's not easy for me, 'cause my skin, yeah, you crawled up under.
Now, the first thing you'll notice about the plates is already it has that top end sizzle, and we need to control that a little bit. So let's go through some of the controls of this reverb to really make it fit in the mix. Let's take the reverb out of solo and play again.
Angel in disguise, there is danger.
Right, let's change the reverb time. I'm going to boost it a bit to about 2.5 seconds. And I'm going to change the shape of the room as well.
I thought this was paradise, still I want it.
Let's bring down the spread just a little bit.
It's not easy for me, 'cause my skin, yeah, you crawled up under.
So already that's fitting better in the mix for me. But let's have a look at the size of the reverb now. Now, if I change the size, you'll notice the reverb time is moving as well.
And you're all that I see. How my dreams give me what I want. 'Cause there's something about you dangerous, dangerous.
I'm going to bring back the high frequency cutoff.
The future, but it's holding us back. Baby, I don't care if your love brings back karma.
And let's add some pre-delay to this. As the tempo of this song is 93 BPM, I'm going to keep the pre-delay in time and boost it to about 80 milliseconds.
Break all these chains, 'cause I feel so
Right, let's go to page 2. I'd like a bit more bottom end in the reverb, and the bass multiply control multiplies the low frequency reverb time. So let's bring it up to about 1.5. Right, let's turn up the crossover to about 3.5K there.
I'm falling. Look at what you've done.
And let's bring back the high frequency information.
And I love it. When you're all that I see in my dreams.
Bring back the diffusion. And let's turn up the decay optimization as well. Let's make it on reverb 7, which is my favourite. Now I'm going to make sure the mix is at 100%, which we could also do here by pushing wet solo. And let's mute that reverb. And let's bring it in.
Should be thinking about the future, but it's holding us back. Baby, I don't care if your love brings back karma. That's the risk I'll take, 'cause I know that I wanna break all these chains and fall.
Now, the thing that I love the most about the Lexicon 480L is you can have a much larger than life reverb in a track, and it just fits perfectly. So I'm Paul Drew from Production Expert. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time.